It's just a quick question, and I'm using the standard search element provided. And
Mhm.
when filtered, like if I put, a filter, it returns zero results correctly. However, if I wanted
Mm,
to conditionally render a text element, um, perhaps by, using, binding to the length of the data grid, I'm unable to figure out how to show something like no records found.
Mhm.
yeah. So
Um,
unfortunately, yeah. So you have to do it manually. So you have to add a new text, just below your data grid, for example.
yeah, like
And,
this, right?
yes,
Yeah.
exactly, exactly. And then you,
And
yeah,
oh,
should
sorry,
be
go
able
ahead.
to bind the lens. So this one is not working, right?
Not, I have not figured it out.
Okay, this is weird. Can you type in a search so we can see what's in the collection?
Oh, sure. I think what is happening is, so hold on one second. I can show you the collection here. This is just the users from Zano. Um, it's pretty simple. I'm more or less just testing and learning.
Mhm. We can. Can you try a search so we can see
Yeah,
why
that gives
your lens?
you
Yeah,
zero results, for example.
exactly.
Oh, sure, sure. Do you want me to go to?
That's it. Like you did before. Yes, in here. Perfect. And can you go back to the binding of no records found? Just like you did in your conditional rendering in here. Yeah.
Sure.
If you can select it and go here. Yeah. So we can see the collection here. So you are binding to user by org data dot lens. So where is
Be
this?
zero though.
Yeah.
But
Can you
maybe,
just remove
yeah,
the
sorry.
minus one? Yes,
Yeah, I
in
was
here.
about
Can
to
you
say the
just
same. But
can you just
I
remove
let
it?
Flo do it. Sorry.
Just remove it, yeah, so we can see what's the value. So it's 5. So you do have something in here. So are you sure you bound the data grid to the same collection?
I can show you really quickly. I think I did.
Mhm.
Um, I think it has something to do with the standard element always seeing the whole data. But let's just very quickly look at.
Yeah, you can just
Um,
click on the data grid. No, you can let it like this.
oh, sorry. I'll go
Yeah, you
back.
can let it.
Oops. I'm
No
still
problem.
learning
No
and
worries.
Don't worry.
all right. So
In here, so user by the
Ah,
data.
you've got a front end filter. So maybe that's, yeah, you're doing the
Yes,
filter in the front end. I think that's why.
exactly.
okay.
Yeah.
So I shouldn't be doing it this way.
You can, but the issue is that as you are filled, basically I can explain why it's doing that. So you have your collection user by org.data, and you have values in here.
Hmm.
And then you are typing something in your church element, and you are filtering on the data grid. So on top of the collection. So basically your data grid when you bind has the data, and then you are filtering it in here. So this is just for this element. So this is why when you try to access your data filtered in the elements, it's not filtered. You had 5 items in there. So this is why.
That makes
Uh,
sense. That makes sense.
so
So yeah.
so the best way is to put this filter in the collection directly.
Yeah,
So
if you
if
want
you go,
to filter the
yeah,
whole collection though, because if you filter the collection, it will be filtered for the whole app. So
exactly.
Mm.
yeah.
So you just have
Uh,
to copy what you did here.
mhm.
You have to do it on the collection. So if you go back to your list of collections, yeah, in here, you see on the next step, you have filter in here,
Ah,
and it's exactly the same one.
Yeah.
So you can
okay.
click on it and then create it. And one thing I can show you that you can do is you can start by add a condition group. for example. And in here, you
Mhm.
can, you have apply if, and this is a nice one. If you click on apply if, you're gonna have a new condition group, you know, on off. So you can try by clicking on off, but the nice thing for you in here, you can bind this on off. You have a little plug icon just above, just near the on off, yes, in here. And you can bind in here to your to the variable of your search elements. And you apply the filter only if you have a value in the search element.
So
So in
okay.
search bar value, yeah, just search bar value, you can click on it.
Mhm.
And you need a Boolean. So you need to, I can show you a trick in here. It's a developer trick, or you can use a formula to do it. I think it's named toBool. Yes, this one, exactly. And you
Mhm.
can drag and drop the search bar value inside the formula.
Ah, I didn't even know you could do that. Very cool. All right, interesting. Because I was always not dragging and dropping manually. Okay. Um, so interesting. So if there's a value, it will return true, which will then
Exactly.
execute the conditions that you
Yeah.
know.
Exactly.
Okay. Oh, that's fantastic.
And
That's
basically, you can
fantastic.
get back the conditions you have in the data grid, throw them here, and it will be
Mhm.
filtered for the whole collection. So the no record found will work, basically.
Okay. Easy. Easy. That's all I need. Thank you so much.
Nice. No
You're welcome.
worries.
Yeah.